Hello everybody, welcome back to this here tropical update for August 28th. Easy for me to say, we're watching Category 1 Hurricane Franklin, Category 2, Tropical Depression 10, Invest 92L in an area of interest over the Eastern Atlantic, currently located probably about here, going to be making its way near the Cabo Verde Islands here. Here's Tropical Depression 10 right now, currently located between Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula. Hurricane Franklin now strengthening and making its way around Bermuda, which is located here. Invest 92L will fizzle out, and there's that tropical wave we mentioned over the eastern tropical Atlantic, or what will be making its way there. Tropical Depression 10 will remain here for a day or two. By Monday, though, it'll begin moving to the north and be making its way towards the Big Bend area, say somewhere near there. Meanwhile, Franklin will basically make a 180-degree turn around Bermuda. How close exactly that storm gets is up for debate, with Bermuda located somewhere about right here. You can kind of see most of the models take it to the north and west of the island, but some bring it pretty darn close. Here is Tropical Depression 10. Again, you can kind of see by how jumbled the models are here. It stays here for a while and then begins to move up to the north, somewhere between Tampa and the Florida-Alabama border. Where exactly that is remains yet to be seen. Here's Invest 92L, like I said, will fizzle out. Here's that other area of interest, and here is another area we maybe need to keep an eye on. Not a strong signal at the moment. You see Franklin finally forming an eye. Again, we've been watching this system for about 6 days now. Weak tropical storm to maybe high-end tropical storm, perhaps even hurricane, again, depending on how close. Bermuda located here, again, impacts to Bermuda of that strength. Max winds, though, could reach Category 4 or 5 strength, as indicated by the HWRF and several other models here. The official National Hurricane Center forecast only brings it to a high-end Cat 3, but again, well, I say only. Really, it doesn't really matter because it's out to sea, so kind of whatever, tomato, tomato. Here's Tropical Depression 10. As you can see, a much less vigorous rotation than we have with Franklin. It's going to remain down here until around Monday evening, when it will begin moving to the north, and then begin accelerating to the north as it makes its way, and that was horrible, towards the Big Bend area. Let's say this northern Big Bend Panhandle area in Florida. We're looking at winds up to 80 miles an hour here, flooding isolated to 12 inches down here. The U.S. impacts remain yet to be seen, although I do expect storm surge watches along the Florida coastline as the storm approaches, say probably Sunday or Monday, and that's kind of what we're dealing with there. Again, likely to become a hurricane, and coincidentally, it'll be the I storm. For those who don't know, the I storm is the most retired letter of the alphabet in terms of storms. So, needless to say, this storm has its work cut out for it. Very warm water conditions means that some models bring this to a Category 3 strength. The National Weather Service, as well as many other models, bring this to a low-end, mid-range Cat 1 before making landfall in Florida. Honestly, I could see this going either way, and the Hurricane Center notes a wide range of possibilities here. Here's 92L at the moment, only a 30% chance of formation within the next 7 days as it moves generally this way. Again, not likely to develop, especially with a hurricane right here moving around Bermuda, and really just in general. We've been watching this storm for a while and hasn't got its act together yet. Here's the tropical wave that'll likely be moving off and then up and around the Cabo Verde Islands. 20% chance of formation within the next 7 days. We'll continue to monitor the Cabo Verde Islands for any potential impacts. That's all for now. Chris Dixon, Info Weather Media.